How to fix Roblox error code 769. Hello friends, Roblox error code 769 refers to two errors. One is teleport failed error and the second is disconnected error. Let's clear that teleport failed error is the consequence of some developer's fault. This error comes from backend, so we can't do anything except waiting for the website to fix it. So far as the question of disconnection error, you can fix it by following those steps. Right click on start, select run, type ncpa.cpl, click on OK, find the network active on your system. The active network will be showing green network mark. Right click on that network and select properties. Select the option Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Click on Properties. In this section, check this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Then type the DNS server address 1111. For alternate server address 1001. Click on OK. Click on Close. Close the network connections window and then check if the issue is fixed. The error should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.